All right, hello everyone. Today we've got a nice little project of a 1964 Tradewind. She's mostly all original, pretty much totally original, and I'll just take you on a quick tour of it. You can see from the pictures in the video here on the outside, sorry for the sun is going to be hitting me here. You can see that it's been rubbed a bit. The previous owner had a tarp on it while it was outside for like a year, and it just kind of started to polish it, but only in places and not very good. So that'll definitely all buff out, or if you wanted to do a full polish, it would come clean as well. So starting at the front, so the running gear, it's got new wheels, new brakes, and new tires on it. So she is good to go on tow and drive. Even the spare is new. Does not come with propane tanks. Most of the propane system is all intact, but it hasn't been tested for the stove and everything else inside. Original hot water heater, I think. Because the original fridge was removed and the previous owner clipped the line, so that needs to be capped off properly before the propane can use. But I'll show you under here. The line's intact and it goes up there into the furnace and everything else that's going to use the propane. Sorry, my mind blank there. It's also got a anti-sway hitch comes with it, and also the ball receiver for it. So that's all intact. I've got the rock guard clear Lexan on it. Original rock guard frame. It's on the front and the back. Oh, the mosquitoes are awful. Sorry if I get a bit jerky here. Okay, so coming around to the side. You can just kind of look at it. Step works. It's got the door within the door. Needs a new latch on the bottom of the door within the door though. So it's secured shut at the moment, but it's all in good shape. I may as well show you that while we're here. So again, it's got that tarp polish marks on it, but all nice and square. No dents or dings from flying up on the road, which is kind of a common thing. Dent wise on the trailer, there's a little bit of a road rash scratch right here, if you can see that, and then typical denting on the right side, door side underbelly skirt. Got the Tradewind. You got the serial number there. Free and clear title on it. All of the windows work. Again, new wheels, new tires. Oh, I don't have the hubcaps on. I'll put those on and take another picture in a minute. Hold on. Okay, I went and got hubcaps. So, comes with the pointy style hubcaps as well. Alright, moving around to the back here. So the rock guard on the back as well. Lights and everything all work on it. So we got a city water inlet here and the power plug. This would actually be a trunk, it's missing its cover. Brand new battery just installed on it. So test the 12 volt system, both the 12 volt DC side and the AC side all work. It's on battery power right now, and that would be plugging into city power. So it's got alternate switches. The converter for the 12 volt side also works inside. Keys are for all hatches and the door are included. Coming around this side again, no major dents or scratches of any kind to speak of anywhere on the body or the roof. Excuse the close up here. That's the original hot water heater exhaust port in the back there, and this is the furnace, which is currently under the sink. Again, they're both original and untested. Not a fan of lighting up 50-plus-year-old gas appliances in a tin box. I would assume they don't work, and even if they do, I wouldn't want to use them. Okay, coming around to inside. Does not currently have any flooring or carpeting or vinyl or anything in it, so you can do whatever you want. Floor is all solid throughout except a spot here behind, down there right underneath the window. It's been patched, but it's still a little bit soft, so it could be pulled up and cleaned again. Original gas light. Propane line is what that thing is hanging on the wall there. Water pump is not currently working, but this would be the water pump switch if it was. Stove looks in good shape. Sink and everything is pretty immaculate, actually. Little spice cabinet up here. And we got all of our tons of storage. This also works. Exhaust fan for the stove. So the original gas fridge is gone, long gone, and we've got a household AC fridge on it only. And I just turned it on, and she's already frosting up there. Actually, I'm going to turn this up a bit. And it's also a locking fridge. Don't have the key for it, but it's a Frigidaire brand, I think. And they use a universal key, but that's handy, so you can lock it while you're traveling, so the door won't want to pop open if you want to keep that. Pantry here. Original sample of the warranty sticker. Bifold door. Corrugated door, whatever you want to call it, come out. It's in good shape. It's got a little bit of stitching that could be used or get rid of it. So this is the only damage on the inside in terms of the veneer. It's peeling off this cupboard, but since it's just in the one spot here, easy enough to put a new countertop on here or just peel it off and stain and seal the sub part of the plywood there. Bunch of extra parts. This is actually the I might put this on, but this is the extra latch for the door within the door, and a bunch of other miscellaneous parts. Not sure why it has so many extra bins. The previous owner must have been collecting bins, but in pretty much every cupboard on all these, it's got pull-out bins and drawers for storage pretty much in every cabinet and closet. So we got a bed here. Fabric's actually in pretty decent shape, except for some sun damage right by the window there. It's the only bad spot on it. So this would pull out to a twin bed, and then the front would also pull out into almost a full twin size bed. Got your water tank and everything back here as well. More overhead storage here. Cupboards everywhere. These lights really should be replaced to LED. They'd be a heck of a lot brighter. They're cute little tiny 2-inch wide light fixtures. They all work. In here we got dual wardrobe. Comes with a bunch of extra parts, weather stripping for the door, acrylic sealer, all kinds of stuff. And then you got 2 leveling jacks as well. Oh, I forgot to show you on the outside, but it's got 3 of 4 leveling jacks, and the other leveling jack will come with it, but it looks like it got bent and they took it off. But it's got 3 leveling stabilizer jacks outside. Going into the bathroom. More cupboards and storage in here. Nice large second wardrobe in here. This is kind of cool. So a little closet in here as well, but then pull that little latch, close that, and you've got an exceptionally large medicine cabinet, toiletry, sundries, whatever. Kind of a cool little feature. So down here in this cupboard, just more storage, and then your AC breakers there. Both the breakers are new, have been replaced. I don't know if the battery tester works. Oh, she does. Awesome. Toilet under there. Again, because water pump is not on, I have not tested this. I will put in the description and test the holding tank, because I can fill up the drains and make sure that the holding tank in the rear here works and doesn't leak. So I will update that. I forgot to do that before I started to do the video here. Outlet and a little fold down mirror, shaving mirror. And that's about it. So it's a 1964 Tradewind, 24 feet. And bit of a project to clean her up and get a floor and stuff in, and kind of go through the plumbing and drainage system a bit. But other than that, she's pretty much intact and original. Or gut it all, paint it, do whatever you like to it, clean it up. But it wouldn't take her much to get her totally usable. I mean, it's technically usable now as a sleeper for sure. especially if you're on shore power. So I will go outside here and show you one last thing I forgot. All right, so yeah, there's the leveling jacks. The belly pan is in excellent shape, all very well attached and intact. So it's got 3 of those mounted and 1, like I said, detached. So any questions, just send me a message or an email or give me a call and we can chat about it. But here she is, 1964 Tradewind. Thanks for watching.